Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 14th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold has been hovering around this 50% Fibonacci retracement for a while now. I still think there is a chance this is an A, a B, and a C. The thing is that it doesn't have to stop at this 50% and start an uptrend. It possibly could push down to the 61 or maybe even the 78%. We really don't have any real proof that this is the end of a correction and it really is continuing the uptrend yet, besides the fact that it's really hovering around this 50%, which is really not a lot of proof. We need to see a nice impulsive up. We need to see a nice break of structure to help confirm that this really is the end of an ABC. And if we don't see that, we have to keep in mind that it could definitely go down to a lower Fibonacci retracement level. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely have a very corrective move to the upside, and then we have what looks like a very corrective move to the downside. So I'm thinking that we are going to get another push up. And if it goes up and breaks structure with momentum, then very likely it is going to start an uptrend because that would likely be the end of an ABC correction. If we don't see price go up and break structure with momentum, then maybe it will not be the end of an ABC. Maybe it will make like a lower high and end up pushing down. So as always, pay attention to your structure, especially around these Fibonacci retracement levels. If price is going to turn at a Fibonacci retracement level, then price will tell you that it's turning, usually by making significant higher lows or making a nice break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.